Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy Wangeshi. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back, and thank you for clicking on this video. Remember to subscribe, to like, to share and comment. So part of what we are going to do on this video is I'm going to show you a plug that I just found out about, and it's going to be my plug all the way because I liked the service, I liked the product that I bought from them, and I'd like to share with you just in case you need a plug for a handbag and anything else. So I recently bought a handbag from, they are called Majaliwa Trends.
So guys, this is how my package came in. The Majaliwa Trends Slay with Budget, meaning that whatever budget you have, whatever money you have, you'll still be able to get their products because they sell on very affordable, I repeat, very affordable prices. So if you need to buy a bag, if you need to buy a watch, you can get them on their Instagram handle, then by Majaliwa Trends. I'm going to provide their details on my description box. So this is my bag. I absolutely loved my bag. I'm such an addict of bags, if that's a word, an addict of bags, and for this one I really liked it. So this is me slaying with my bag. So let's go ahead and make guacamole. We're going to make guacamole today, and our ingredients for today is the avocado, the tomato, the onions, and coriander. Also not forgetting the lemon and some salt. This is something that I'm trying for the first time, and it turned out absolutely yummy. I really loved it. Once the avocado is mashed well, you can now go ahead and add your ingredients one by one, and make sure they blend in together well. And this is the final result. As you can see how it has come out, it's very easy. The ingredients are readily available, and let me tell you, it's very sweet. So you can eat this with crisps if you like, or just anything else. So thank you guys for watching the video till the very end, and remember to like this video and subscribe.